Today I'm going to show you how you can generate viral AI videos using AI. We're going to create two types of videos. One with a dog cooking, so this is an animal video. The second one is cooking with miniatures. So for that we're going to use Hailu AI, which has an image and also a video generator. So to get started, the first thing that we have to do is actually use ChatGPT to create some prompt. So the first thing is getting the prompt and using ChatGPT to generate us specific ideas. So I'm going to use this prompt right now into ChatGPT and we're waiting for its answer. So ChatGPT, essentially what it does, it uses our prompt and creates 10 specific ideas for videos. So I'm going to get the first idea. I'm going to go to Hailu AI. I'm going to paste this into the image generator. I specifically select aspect ratio to be 9:16, which is exactly what we have on TikTok videos and phones. And I'm selecting quantity 4, so it gives us 4 different images. I click the generate button and I wait for the answer. At the same time, just to test out this functionality, I'm going to use BrainRot, which is one of the state-of-the-art image generators, to generate a similar image. Maybe we like that more. So I paste the prompt over here. So I put the exact same prompt over here. I'm going with 2 images and let's see what the generation results. If you're interested to find out more AI tools, you can go ahead on the link down below in the description. We've got various image generators, and very soon we will be adding new video generators, text generators, and various other tools. So this is what BrainRot comes up with. Doesn't look bad at all. I actually kind of like it. And similarly, Hailu is bringing also some very nice images. So Hailu image generation capabilities. The next step I'm going to do after generating these images is I'm going to download this one. This is the one I like. And we got 3 options: image to video, text to video, and subject reference. I'm going to go with image to video. I'm going to paste the image inside. I'm going to give it again this first prompt, which we use to generate the image. And you can also actually go ahead and insert camera movements. So in this case, I really don't know which one is the best camera movement to have. So I'm going to go with debut. You also have specific presets that you can use, like golden hour, cyberpunk, or whatever you want. I'm not going to mess around with it. Here is the model that will generate the actual result. So this controls camera movement like a professional director. This is for live character. And yeah, I'm going to go with this director option. So I'm going to generate a video out of this image with this specific prompt. So let's see what the result will be. I'm really interested to see the video generation capabilities of Hailu. Again, these videos go absolutely viral on social media, and when we see the result, you're going to actually like it so much. So I'm going also to move into generating image prompts for the dog cooking, so we waste no more time. And here we generate like image prompts for an animated cooking sequence that features a fat pitbull black dog. This is an alternative to the cooking cat videos where you say fat orange cat cooking. We give this whole prompt to ChatGPT. So I'm going to create a new chat just to not mess around with the context. That's very important, guys. Always make sure to have different chats for different kind of contexts. I also really like this image. Maybe we can test it out with Hailu video generator. And this one is very fast. I'm really excited to see the result. Like, it's so fast. So here we can see the exact cooking sequences. So the first one is the image prompt for the fat pitbull. So we will go ahead and like generate this kind of image. You can do that on Hailu while your video is generating. So this is a fat pitbull with focused impression or whatever. Let's generate 4 images out of this while we wait for the answer. And when it's time to generate the second image, you want to make sure that you get the image prompt very close to the second image prompt. So what you do is you take the first image prompt. You can use this example just to fix it. So you have like dog details. So the dog is a fat black pitbull dog with focused expression. Okay. Then you go to background details. So you have last green vegetables and this thing. Okay. And you also have background details number 2, which is a clay stove and chopping tools nearby. So that's actually the details. So using these details, you can actually go ahead and fix the second prompt. So you go ahead, you take the second prompt. Hopefully I'm not going very fast into this example, but essentially you break down the first prompt. Okay, this is the details. And then you get like the second prompt and you get this fat pit bull, okay, crouches slightly, droplets plus slightly. You have like this lush green vegetables, a clay stove and chopping tools nearby. So you have all of these things and you have like the second prompt completely, completely fixed, and you ensure character consistency this way. So this is like the pitbull. This looks quite nice. I think I will go ahead with this image. Maybe there are other better images, but for this example, we don't really care. So let's just generate the second image, the second prompt. And of course you will have to iterate over this, like get all of the prompts up to speed and make sure there is consistency. Maybe you can actually change the first prompt to make sure ChatGPT ensures this consistency so you can break it down even better, but it's all up to you. I will make sure probably to drop like the prompt template down below in the description. You can download for free or whatever. And I think we also have the first video generated. So here you can see the miniature working on creating this pancake. This looks very, very nice. I think this is super good looking. Okay, so let's see the images. So we got this dog from the first image, and this is like, I think the best image here is this one. Is this consistent with this one image? Maybe not so much. Maybe I should go with this image. Okay, so I'm going to use this image. Okay, so download without watermark. Okay, so let's go to video, and we want to empty all the image histories here. So we're going to upload a new image, which is going to be the first dog. Now you want to make sure to use the correct prompt here to animate this, okay? And we want to add debut here, click generate, and you can also open up a second prompt at the same time. So instead of trying to do this dog, you can do like the second video generation happening right now. So I will use the fixed prompt here. Okay, so let's do the second prompt. For camera movement, in this case, maybe I will try like some kind of, I don't know. Maybe I think debut is like the best option in this case again. Okay, so we select that and we generate also the second video. So we generate 2 videos at a time. This is the power of high-low AI. Literally, you can generate so many things. And we can also test this text video. So that would be nice. I will go ahead and use a completely different prompt. I don't know. Maybe we'll use the first prompt so we can see if we can one-shot a good video without having to, create the image first. But again, let's just see what this model can do. And there's also this subject reference. So you can add like a reference character. So let's say we got a dog, okay? So we got this dog here. Okay, so we need a person. So let's add a person, and you can reimagine your character's story. So this character moves in the Wall Street with confidence, a suit and a briefcase. A Ferrari is seen on background with red color. Okay, so we can also add like our reference character and a prompt. So you essentially get your face or whatever subject you have into the specific prompt and you generate like a video. So we're waiting for the results to come, but I really gotta say that the image generator capabilities are amazing, and also the video generation capabilities are absolutely great. And essentially what you can do is generate multiple of these clips, put some music in the background and create a viral sort. You can add some sound effects, but really this is not the case of the video. This is how you can, create essentially AI videos and then just edit them together into a viral sort. In case any of you is interested into using high-low AI for video and image, they also got chat and audio, which you can test out. You can secure the monthly credits. So I think this is like 30 to 40 videos, loads of image generations for $10 per month, which is very, very low. And you can also get like the pro version or unlimited version. If you look this as a business opportunity, you go with the unlimited option and you literally create so many amazing videos. And literally, this is a very big opportunity, in all honesty, guys. Like, these videos go so viral. We can see here the dog trying like to cook, and this is super high quality. This like 6-second clip, and boom, you can see him trying to cook. So again, you know, if you have better prompts versus me, here you can see like the dog trying to clean this with his mouth. So you can actually take a lot better like prompts compared to the ones that I use. I've just used them as example. For example, the dog crouches slightly, washing the branch or spinach. You can literally have a lot better prompts, but you can see here that there is a lot of consistency, and this is done through the images. So essentially the images, when you have images that are like consistent, you can get videos to be consistent, and the quality is amazing. And if you have a better prompt than the one that I use just for the example, you can get absolutely amazing videos done with this. Like, and then you can chop all of these clips together to create a 20-30 second TikTok video. Again, add some sound effects on the background and you're good to go. You're like done. Okay, so in this case, we see like the video generator one prompting this, and we can see like move the tomato with his mouth. Again, I think this is also very nice quality, but I think like going from image to video just gives this extra step, this extra stability to the process. So I think this is a lot better. And probably this is due to the fact that this is like a new video model that even brings such great quality. This is literally insane. So I really wait to see my face on a Wall Street character with a suit and a briefcase and a Ferrari on the background. I really want to see this. But yeah, in terms of pricing and all of the capabilities and options that Hilo gives you, I think it's an amazing option. Okay guys, so this is me on Wall Street. You see the Ferrari, you see me with a suitcase. Okay, this is not amazing, but it still looks good. And imagine me into the Wall Street with a Ferrari on the background. It's going to be amazing, guys. It's going to be amazing. So in any case, what I want to tell you at this point is that if you want me to create more of these kind of videos showing you how to generate AI video clips, maybe I can do some short editing things showing you how to add sound effects, a little bit of music, and you know, bring you the end-to-end process into a tutorial. Just let me know down below in the comments. Hailu AI is an amazing product, and we've seen how we can use this workflow to create amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching.